Hey, this is Luke with Walser Chrysler Jeep Dodge here in Hopkins, just off Highway 169, bringing you this really cool Jeep Gladiator. Just wanted to show you some of the cool custom options that we can outfit any of your Jeeps or Gladiators. Cool thing about these is you can customize it to make it your own for any trail riding, camping, hiking, or if you just want to look a little bit different. Gives you a lot of cool options. First piece on here is going to be a big array of steel bumpers. This is going to be a full steel bumper with the mount for the winch, but there are other larger steel bumpers if you don't want a winch attached, and there's a few different options for winches as well that we can get retrofitted for your vehicle. Another really cool piece that they add on these is going to be the more aggressive grille. This has been a really popular option with a lot of my customers, giving the Jeep a little bit more of a menacing look. I think it really fits the build on this specific model. Now you do have upgraded LED custom headlights. This is going to give you a little bit more unique look going down the road, help you visibility at night as well, or riding on those trails, giving you good visibility to see anything in those ditches. Another cool piece that can be added to any of these vehicles is this wrap. Now this maintains the factory color that you like so much, but it makes it look like a smoked paint job. So what it is it's a protective clear shield that goes over the vehicle that gives it a little bit more of a textured look, so it's not quite as shiny. And again, that can be added to any single vehicle. Really cool touch to kind of make your vehicle stand out, and again, protect it from any of the pieces on the trail that may scratch it up. Another thing that we really like to do with a lot of these is custom wheel and tire packages. Now there are thousands of different style of wheels and tires out there, different color combinations to kind of customize the vehicle for yourself, give you a little bit more of a unique ride rather than going on stock factory wheels. Now we do have a bunch of different array of off-road tires. You can either get more aggressive or less aggressive to kind of fit your needs. You do have other options like the steel sidebar. This is going to protect against any rocks or logs out on the trail, or if you're just riding in it, it's going to help you get in and out much easier. If we take a look at the interior here, again, it's going to maintain the same stock Jeep look, but this does have the Katskin custom leather seats. So you can use this to match the paint color on the outside, or if you have a favorite color, gives you a little bit more of a flare on the inside. If you look up at the ceiling, this one also does have the clear roof panels. Now that's going to let a lot of light in while still keeping the UV rays out. This is something that can be added very easily and fits in the stock slots for the roof. Moving to the back, you can see even in the back seat, you do have that custom Katskin leather, so it gives it that really cool matching look, matching the outside of the paint color. And again, you can get this on any vehicle and you can match any color you like. Now for the lift kit that we talked about on this specific Gladiator, we are using factory OEM Fox shocks. Now this is going to be coming straight from Mopar, so these are going to be a direct fit in your vehicle, and there's a bunch of different sizing options. So whether you want another inch or 6 inches or even more than that, we can definitely give you everything that you're looking for. And again, a really good look with these two-tone wheels and these more aggressive off-road tires. On the back, obviously, as well as all trucks, you do have different options for tonneau covers. You can have hard covers, you can have soft covers. This is going to be the most popular, the Access roll-up soft cover. And again, with this cover, you can put some different things on the inside for bed liners. You can either get carpeted ones, or you can get the spray in if you're going to be using it and scratching it up a little bit. It'll protect that interior. But gives you a lot of options to retrofit the vehicle for all of your needs. Anytime you're going camping, hiking, you can definitely fit as much as you can in there. There's also racks that can go up top here, so if you're going to put a rooftop tent, you can actually put it over the back here, freeing up a little bit more space so you can carry more gear with you. Whether you're looking to customize a Jeep or if you're looking to customize one of your trucks, all of our models will have different options available, whether you're looking at the Grand Cherokee, Gladiator, different Rubicons, or even the regular 1500s. We can definitely make them look unique and stand out. If you have any questions or need any help customizing your vehicle, or just want to see some of the options that are available, you can always reach us at walsercjd.com, or you could ask for Luke directly. That's myself. I'll be able to help you custom build a vehicle for you that fits within your budget to make your ride the coolest one out there.